Alright, well I'm back. I'm testing another video, and I'm going to test it by opening some boxes of 2017. Been out of the hobby for a little while, didn't have a chance to really open up some of the older stuff, and I'm seeing all the other videos with people chasing mahomes, and I was going to try to chase them as well. I did pick up one of these in a lot, and I actually saw some videos of people were opening up the Crown Royal video boxes from 2017, and they weren't happy with the designs. But I have a design background, and I'm not unhappy with them. I think they actually look pretty good. So I already have one, but I still think it'd be kind of fun to see if I can find another one. And I believe there's some autographs in here. I was looking at some of the information that I found on the internet when it was released. This is a retail only, and it's a 100 card base set. I think 20 different rookies, 80 veterans. There's some parallels, there's some mem cards, there's some autographs and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it and see what we come up with here. Let's see here. My little scalpel. It's an X-Acto blade. Probably need to get a better blade. I'm going to end up cutting myself with that thing. So there are 4 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. So what does that mean we're getting here? So we are getting 20 cards in here. So let's see how to these things pop out. There we go. 1 box down. Kind of a generic looking package there. Very thin. Oh, open these. Joey Bosa. Jarvis Landry. Marcus Miata. Oh, there's a numbered card. LaShawn McCoy of $2.99. And Sean Watson, and that's a rookie. It's actually kind of nice. I know that he's having a very good season this year so far. Hopkins, Stafford, Crowell, and a mem card, and Miles Garrett. These mem cards like this actually seem more generic than the base cards. I actually like the base cards better than I do these mem cards with a 1 color patch like this, and sometimes there's not as much design in them, and this just doesn't look as good to me. Russell Wilson, Kirk Cousins, Eli Manning no longer playing. Another numbered of 99, Golden Tate. And that number one's kind of nice. It's got a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see there now, but it's a little bit more of a shine to it. And Barnett. So I've got 2 numbered cards. I haven't got an autograph yet, but I did get a Deshaun Watson rookie. So okay, Marshawn Lynch, Antonio Gates, Edelman, and a linebacker autograph. Boo. And for the firing hot Dolphins, and a lot more. The autograph card is much thicker. That is for sure. Actually, I think the card's actually kind of nice. Hopefully, out of 4 boxes here, we find some Mahomes of some sort. It'd be nice for it to be an autograph. That would have. It's really what we're looking for, right? And I wasn't around collecting like I am again today in 2017, so I don't know how crazy everyone was looking for him back then, or if he was kind of. I think I was told that he wasn't really playing. He was. So there was another starting quarterback, so no one was really chasing this card at first. Alright, getting into the second box. See if I can go faster. I can see that this takes a while, right? Rob, LaShawn, Blake, a number to 99 of Travis, and Cook. Yeah. You know what? Let's see if you can see this. I didn't really show this that well. And those are not numbered. Okay. Bradford. Mike. So there was 2 quarterbacks for the Bears in this set. There's not that many cards in here, and they took 2 of them up with that. AJ. And I guess this is the autograph. Nope, that's not the autograph. That is another rookie. I'm not familiar with this guy from the Redskins. And that's another rookie here I'm not familiar with. And I probably should be. I'm getting caught back up with these guys every day, a little bit more every day. I've recently got basically every box that was made this year, so I will get caught up real quick. Aaron Donald, Carson Wentz, Travis, another number, Golden Tate of 175. So I got a 99, a 175, and a 299, and a Corey Davis. Okay. Okay. Booker. Matt Fonte. There's Brady. DeMarcus Walker of... Hey, it's actually numbered. They do have numbered autographs. That's of 50. And then another Sean Watson on rookie. And we are already through the first 2 boxes already. Okay. Odds if anybody wants to see them. I was actually able to get these boxes for 50 bucks a piece. I've actually seen some people selling them as high as $75 and $79 a box. And that's all because they're chasing the home rookie cards. And Decker, Jay, Murray, Mark Cooper of 175. I actually like that because I'm a Cowboy fan. We'll put that right there. And then who is this? Another rookie, Thomas. Come on, give me mahomes. Uh-oh, no. Frank Gore, Jordy Nelson, Le'Veon Bell, running back, Days, Matthew Days. This one is not numbered. And David here. I guess I have to figure out if this camera angle is good. Can't tell. Joe Flacco, that guy has been around the world. Andrew Luck, no longer playing. Aaron Rodgers, and we have a number to 249, Larry Fitzgerald. I think they're doing those 249s in pink. Actually kind of cool looking. Still Patrick Mahomes. And a Peppers. And that means we have a mem card coming up. Rosenberger, Johnson, and I got the same guy. Oh, they do have these numbered too, so I have one unnumbered, and I have one numbered to 50, and then that one that's numbered to 50 actually is a 3-color. That is way better looking. And then the silver print actually is kind of a hollow silver, while this is not. Much better looking card. So, an actual numbered one. And then a rookie. I should have made this rookie pop a little bit more. They're kind of hidden in the background here with the same color. Probably should have done that in silver too, I think. Alright, I'm down to my last box here. Oh, come on. Yeah. Some of these boxes, designs want to just suck the cards in. Okay. You know what? I got a pad coming with my logo on it, so that'll be here soon. Okay. Alright. Down to the last 4 packs. Hey, there's an Zeke, Mac, Mel Gordon, and another pink to 249 Walker, and Adams rookie. Okay. Gore, Jordy, Bell, TJ Watt, pink of 350. So that one's numbered. And then there's a TJ Watt right behind it. So no Mahomes autographs. I still haven't even got a Mahomes rookie card yet. You'd think with such a small set, this probably wouldn't be too hard to pull off, but Flacco, Rogers, Rossberger, and a number 299, which is in blue, TY, and there's a rookie for Taco. Actually, I'm enjoying looking at these. This is, you know, you want to get your Mahomes, but and it looks like I did not get one. Boo. I shouldn't be sneaking ahead, but Tyler, David, Brandon. A little bit better patch than one of the blank ones there. And Stewart, and then an OJ Howard. Well, let me see what I can recap this here. So I will grab my numbered ones here. So I got 2 Watsons. Would have liked to had something else. We got a 99, which looks like a blue. 249 is pink. I got a couple of those pinks. 175s look like a gold maybe. 99. I can't tell what that one is. And there's a 99. And there's a 299. So I actually got a little array of numbers here. And a couple. I mean, there's another handful of cards here. Not that I'm one of those guys that likes all my cards, so it doesn't. I've actually enjoyed this, but whether I got the Patrick or not. I kind of, because I already have one, but it was still fun to open. See if you can get a better look at the card here. And some of the numbered ones here. And a stack of rookies and other veterans. And the guy that wasn't in the box. But yeah, that was actually kind of cool. I will be working on getting better and going through this faster and doing a better job of explaining things and enjoying it at the same time. So thank you for taking a look at this, and I hope to see you soon.